Hamana, how's it going, YouTube? My name is Jill, and today I don't know what we're doing today. Yeah, we don't know where we are, so we're going to take the stairs. Yeah. They're busy vlogging something. Yeah, you know. Yeah. Yes, tita.
Okay.
Yes, tita. Third floor, tita. Thank you, tita. Yeah. We're here at Robinson.
Thank you nga pala dahil umabot na ng 1K views yung Outlast ko.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Grabe isang video 1K.
Ayun. Chris, Gerald.
Malaki na kayo sa akin. Hindi, pantay lang
Alec.
tayo.
Hi. Jason.
Hello.
JP. Yeah. And Froilan. Yeah. So, hindi namin alam kung saan kami kakain. Uy, sure na yun, Shakey's?
Saan ba Shakey's?
Shakey's... Ewan. I have no idea. Energy ka.
Hindi ako nakaka-upload sa YouTube from sa YouTube. Bakit? Ay, nilalagay ko muna sa Facebook. Wala ako naka-live yan ah.
Hindi, nito naka-live. So, yun. Pero ang baho din kanina, no? Ang baho pag luwa natin. Yeah.
Parang Outlast.
Ano yung sunod natin? Mission. Ano tayo sa Sewer.
Shakey's.
Dito pa. Dito. Nabaliw ako dito. Let's go.
Let's get it.
We're going up. Yeah. We're going up, right? Yeah.
We're in the elevator. We're elevating up.
Yeah.
As you can...
Hey you, huh? Hey niggas. Hey.
Yeah.
Hey you, huh? Look at you. Hey you. Stand. Please stand. Where's Shakey's? What? Really, niggas? Shakey's? Ano na to eh? Dead end na to eh.
Okay. Oh, dami battery ah.
Yan. Kailan natin na ikakat to na?
Hindi nga ako marunong mag-cut kapag ganyan.
Hindi kailangan i-end to. Pag nasa Shakey's tayo. Sige. We're walking. Yeah. We're, only 5. No EJ.
No, Papa.
No Papa EJ. No Papa EJ. And later, we'll meet the syndicate. Amazing syndicate. Daniel Idika. Yeah.
Adventure.
Oh, crossover. Yes.
Sarap eh.
Yeah. And the cousins. Yeah. What? What are you looking at? Bitch. Ano son? Nakakaligtaan ko na yung dito eh. Shakey's. No. So saan na tayo? Food court to eh, diba? Ay, sa taas pala yung food court. So, yun. Dalawa.
Pwede mo muna i-boss. Ikaw.
May post ba to?
Ha?
May post to? Wala, diba? Stop lang eh. Stop. So, stop muna.
Ikaw na ko Shakey's or Moxie?
Yeah.